Okay, class. Today we are going to start. Today we are going to start C programming, class 6, I think so. Okay, let's. Today we are going to see loops. In loops, there are three types of loops are there: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Here, for loop and while loop are entry level loops, and do while loop are exit level loops. Later, I will explain. Today, we are going to see about for loop. Okay, for loop, I am going to creating a directory loops cd loops in sorry cd loops. Now I'm inside in loops. Inside I'm going to create another directory and I'm going to name it as for underscore loops, for loops. So inside this for loop I'm just going to create a file name 001.c. Loops. So initially I'm going to explain the for loop with the help of an example, and question is hashtag include less than stdio dot h less than int main open bracket close bracket next line open curly braces. Now the question is I want to print hello one time. So I am writing the so I successfully written the code. Next I am going to run this code gcc 001.c. So hello. So hello is successfully printed. For one time it's okay, for one line it's okay. If I need to print for 30 lines, I need to write printf for 30 times. If I need to print for 300 times, I need to write for 300 lines. So it takes time, it takes the code also, the program also will not looks good. So for the purpose only we are going to go for loop. Commenting this first. Initially I am going to writing a for loop. For loop syntax. I am going to write the syntax for loop. So initialization condition. So for the simple purpose, first we require a variable name. So I am creating a variable name with integer data type. And in the statement, after completing it, this thing, next what I am going to initialize the variable. Here I am declaring declaring I as variable. After successfully declaring the variable, here I am going to initialize the variable. From where we can able to start? We can start from 1, we can start from 2, we can start from 5. It's your wish. So I am going to start from 1. Semicolon. Next, we need to write a condition. That condition could be anything. So here the condition is I is less than or equal to n. Wait. I plan to create another variable because user needs to decide how many times they need to print the hello value. So enter number of times. Enter number of times next I am going to get the value from the user. Scanf open double quotation %d comma ampersand of n. Num is good. Completing the statement. Here I am commenting get input from the user. Okay, comma. So after successfully indicating the condition, next I am going to write I is equal to I plus 1. We can write like this, or else we can write like this also. So condition, wait, first initialization initialization, then condition, then condition, then post evaluate. So initialization, condition, post evaluate. How this actually works here means this I write this I. Wait, I'm zooming it for your clear explanation. This I write this I. So first step, wait, I need to write some more codes here. Open curly braces. Right. So now I am uncommenting this line. So how this actually works means first this condition, right, I is equal to 1. So this is step 1. So first it will the for loop check this one. So I is equal to 1, first step. Next a value that's stored in I. Next it's going to compare with n. So if the user entered the last if user entered 30, it first check 1 is less than or equal to 30. If it is true, if it is returns true, right, it will allow to execute printf. It will allow to execute printf statement. After successfully creating this step, Next, it moves to the post evaluation. In post evaluation, it will automatically increment one number. So I becomes 2. So repeating step, I becomes 2. Then it again going to compare 30 is less than or equal to 1. If it is returns true, it will execute the printf follow second time, and again post evaluation stored in 3, then compare. So this step again and again execute until if the condition returns false only, it can come to the return 0, then the whole program will terminate successfully. So let's run this program. 001.c. Sorry. Here that out. Next I am writing the times. For now 10. So 10 times. If you want to see the number of times, just type %d here and then here type L. You can see the number of times also. Wait, I am again compiling this. Now I am running this. 10 means 10. So 10 times it's printed successfully. So this is how for loop works. Next, now we can go for some problems. What are the problems we are now going to see here? Means how to print odd numbers using for loop. So for this purpose, I'm going to create another file 002 002.c. So hashtag include, and if you are a professional, if you want to be a professional in C programming, you need to write documentation. Documentation is nothing but you are just declaring what this file and who created this file. Here I am typing name is not as not name and then date (17) date description write a program to print odd numbers. So sample input with limit. You need to set a limit, right? So let's input limit is 10 into percent 10. Sample output how many numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 6 and 4 is not odd numbers. So this is known as documentation. So after I completing my documentation, I am declaring two variable names. First is num, then I. So in next step, I am going to use the printf. You can also comment here declaring two variables printf enter a number, enter the limit now. I need to get input from the user, so I am going to use the scanner function, and I am using the format specifier %d, and where I need to store here with the help of ampersand operator I can able to store the value in num variable. After let's create get input from user printf. Now I am creating the for loop, open bracket. Initially I am setting the value 1, then so 1 I is less than or equal to n. So this is important here. How we can able to, for this I am going to open a paint. So here I am going to write the algorithm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how numbers goes, right? So if you see which are the odd numbers here, odd number, odd number. So next, what are the number is odd number? 3, and next 5. So if you see comparing these two 1 and 3, how many numbers get increased from 1 to 3? 1, 1, 2. So 2 times were increased, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 2, 3. And if you compare this 3 and 5 also, same scenario. 3, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. So 2 times it's get increasing. So let's consider this 1 as n. So 2. So again this 3. So consider this I here. So 5. So how the algorithm goes here means, so how we can able to write, which condition we can able to write in post evaluation as I is equal to I is equal to I plus 2. So this is how so these are the scenarios are there. So this is how we can able to write the post evaluation. Post evaluation is important. So in post evaluation I am writing as I is equal to I plus 2 open curly braces, printf open bracket open double quotation, so space, so D space comma I. Now return 0. Okay, let's run our program. Now I am going to run my program. The program is GCC 002.c. Where is the error? 2. Oh, forget one thing. Into main. So guys, important. So follow the templates. So I am setting the limit as 10. Control. So if something happens like means just print Control plus C. So what we can do now? Sorry. Control C can act as a interrupt. For this Control L, okay. Again I am compiling my code. Setting the limit. 3 1 3 5 6 9. So now it's printing successfully. We can able to go for 100 also printing. So in case I need to print this in reverse, like first 9, then 7, then 5, then 3, then 1, how I can able to do it? Let's go to the code. We need to do some little changes only here. What we can do changes means what can we do the changes in here? I is equal to 1. Here we need to start from 10. Sorry, last number. So if it is last means I here we need to put minus. Let's run this one. Control C. So how we can able to do this? Wait. Okay. Now I understand. Now I understand. Yeah, was this the last number 0? Here we need to put minus. So minus 1 less than or equal to 1. So here is equal to I minus 2. Now it's print in reverse. So 10 minus 2. So here how I can able to write the algorithm is last number 1, right? Last number 1, so I put the limited here, and here reverse side minus 2 minus 1. We need only on number side. So for the purpose only I am putting minus 1. 97531. Now I need to print the even numbers. Ten, 8, 6, 4, 2. But do you think this code is correct? Because if I write 9 even numbers, odd numbers, so how I can able to convert it for even number? Even number. If open bracket num percentage 2 is equal to 0 curly braces, num percentage 2 percentage percentage num plus num plus 1 1 7 9 10. Even numbers, so I need only even numbers. How to print only even numbers. How we can able to do this? Hmm. How we can able to do this? So okay, later we will discuss about this. Okay. Next I'm going to create another file, touch.c, touch.c. So for this the question I am choosing means we used to multiple two numbers like this, right? 2 3s are 6, but I don't want to multiple like this. How we can able to multiple? With the help of for loop. So as well as let's first go for the so actually this multiplication works. So 2 2 into 2 2 into 2 4. So but we can do like this also. What actually multiplication is addition. So 2 plus 2 I'm right, this is times, this is that which number times, repeating this number 2 times 2, so is equal to 4. So this is how we need to run our algorithm. So I'm going to write the program. Hashtag include less than stdio touch into main open curly braces and declare num1 comma num2 printf open bracket enter two numbers scanf percentage d comma addressing operator num1 comma a present of num2. So with the help of for loop, how we are going to write the code? For bracket for loop how we can able to do this. I need to increase but one number. So for this we are going to create another variable and I am going to declare it as declaring as well as initializing in 0. Y means I required an empty variable where I can able to store the 2 times. So I is equal to I am going to start from 0 up to less than 10 I plus plus open column pro is equal to pro plus 2 I'm going to write the printf function printf open bracket. So here the again value store percentage d into percentage d is equal to percentage d num1 comma num2 comma pro return 0 control N gcc 003.2 a.out. So what are the numbers?